Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable displaying screen touches in screen recording on Redmi 14C. First swipe from the top part of your screen, then swipe down again and find screen recorder, then press and hold on it and find show touch gestures. You can also show button taps, so it will visualize when you press on these physical buttons, but I'm gonna only enable show touch gestures. And now when you go back and swipe down again to find screen recorder again and you click on it, then start recording, then it will start recording this white dot under my finger to visualize where I am touching on my screen. To stop recording, click on this floating button, then click on stop and click on X. And now the recording has been saved to your phone's gallery. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.